everyone, it's Heidi, and it's time for another Young Living unboxing. Another month has gone by somehow, and so this is what we got this month with our Young Living order. So, I haven't even opened all of this stuff yet, so that you guys could see it at this time. This is the new Peace and Calming Roll-On. I love Peace and Calming. It's wonderful, so I'm really excited to get this new roll-on. This is one of the new products that came out at convention this year. And we have a bunch of oils here. So peppermint, just needed peppermint again, so we got that. Lemon, needed lemon, so we ordered that. And then this one is the tummy jives, which this is again one of the free things that we got this month with our qualifying order. So that's always fun to get free stuff. And then we get some supplements. So this is one of the new products. It's called the Luminize, and this is what came out at convention, and this is very good for eye health. So I'm really looking forward to using this. It has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. I can't read it, sorry. I'll have to post in the video and let you know what's included in that, but I'm excited about this new supplement because eye health is very important. So that's one of the new things. And then Super C chewable. I love taking Super C, which I did also get a bottle of that. And so Super C is what I take every day, all year long, no matter what it is. Helps me stay healthy. And so Super C chewable was one of the free things that was available this month. So I thought, well, sure, I'll chew Super C once in a while. So it's always fun to get free stuff. So that was another free thing. And then have Deep Relief Roll-On, and this is something that I ordered. We ran out of this. My husband uses it all the time for muscles and things like that. Sorry, we have some woodworking going on in the basement. And so Deep Relief is a great one to have for muscles. Lavender, this is another one that we get a lot, and so needed some more of it, so I got some more lavender. Citrus Fresh, this is a small bottle of Citrus Fresh. This is my favorite diffuser blend. And so this is what we got, another free oil. So it's always fun to have on hand. I'll always take free stuff when I can. And another free thing was the Thieves Roll-On. This is something that's pretty new this year, but it was also as one of the free items that we get this month with our qualifying order. So Thieves is always great to have in a roll-on because you can roll it on your feet, your chest, wherever you want to. And so that'll be fun to have on hand. A few more Thieves products here. This is what we have run out of, the Thieves Lozenges. So I ordered another batch of these. My son and husband love using these all the time, just when things aren't feeling quite right in their throat. And so they will use the Thieves Lozenges. So those are really good to have on hand. And they're getting really loud downstairs, so they weren't doing this when I started. Sorry for the extra noise. And then the last thing, I think, is the Thieves Laundry Detergent. I ran out of this, and so I needed to get another one. So I did, and it doesn't look like a very big bottle. And I will link to the video where I talk about how, or at least give the instructions to how I make this last twice as long. You only need, I think, like a half a tablespoon for a load, especially since we have high efficiency. And so this is, it goes a long way. I know if you look in the catalog, you're like, oh my goodness, I'm not going to spend that. But when you double it out the way I do and everything, you do save a lot of money, and it's a very good detergent that works really well, and it's going to be healthy for you. You're not going to be smelling all kinds of toxic chemicals all the time like you would if you use the detergents that you get in the grocery store. So I think that's it for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Let me know if you have any questions or anything that doesn't seem right. Make sure that you buy pure oils. Young Living is the only pure ones where you know where they are sourced from and that they are actually oils. When you buy the oils in the stores, it's just fragrance. They don't even have to put any oil in it. This is your family you're talking about. You only get one body, and if you're going to be smelling things, if you're going to be applying them, you want to make sure that you have the best. And it is worth it, and it is going to work well. You're going to use a lot less oils, things like that. So anyways, let me know if you have any questions, and we'll talk to you next time. Take care.